Good morning. This is Mr. Michael, and I am continuing with problem 2A of activity 4.1.G. This is how to draw in Inventor. So for this activity, the instructions are also telling us that we need to change and put, instead of inches, we need to change everything to millimeters. So we come up to the tools up on the top bar. You come over to document settings, and then in that menu you come over, the second one over is units. Change the length from inches to millimeters, and when we're done we will change it from millimeters back to inches. Hit apply, and then you can close this, and we are now ready to draw in millimeters. So to start our sketch, we're going to come in, hit the 3D modeling. We're going to start a sketch. Again, I like to start from the front view. And we're going to start with our 2-point rectangle. Come and align again with our origin. When it turns green, our icon is aligned to the origin. Draw a rectangle. It doesn't matter how big. We're now going to dimension it. Again, we come over here, we look at our drawing, and this is 40 millimeters. Again, the box got really big, so we're going to click on the front of the cube. It brings it down and puts it into our window. Again, we're still in the dimension command. Click and touch this line and select the width of 60 millimeters. Again, once we changed it up here on the tools, the computer knows what it is. We hit the green mark. Again, we have a box now, so we're going to finish the sketch. And I'm going to hit my home position. I'm going to hit extrude. Again, that's this one, but it's already there. We're looking at, it is set for 10 millimeters. We need to change that to 30. It's already highlighted. Just type in the 30 millimeters, hit OK. We have our cube now. So I'm going to come in, hit the home position. This is centered. So now we're going to start the second sketch, top left. Start a 2D sketch. Again, I'm going to come from the front, hit the home or the front of the cube, and now I'm going to draw a rectangle. We're going to go from about here to here. Again, it doesn't matter how big we draw the box. Come up and I'm going to hit dimension. So following the activity, we're going to click on this line. We're going to click on this line, come up here and click on where we want it. And this width is 10 millimeters. And we don't know what the width is here, but we do know what the width of this line to this line is. So again, we click on the side of the rectangle we drew and the side of the part. And again, although this time it gives us the height, we will need it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit height. It's 15. So again, I'm still in the dimension command. I need to select this and this. This time it gave me my numbers, and this is 25. Everything is blue, so I'm fully constrained. I hit finish sketch, and I'm going to cut, which is under the extrude command. Again, this is extrude, but this is cut. And I am going to go all the way across. So I'm going to select the box. It automatically snaps all the way across. Hit OK. And that completes this cut. I need one more, and that's down here. So I'm going to start a third sketch, start a 2D sketch, start a 2D sketch. I'm going to select the side I want it on. This is the right side. I'm going to click the middle of my cube again because I want to center that. Click the 2D or 2-point rectangle. I'm just going to draw a little box down here and I'm going to dimension it. So from side to side, and this is 3 millimeters. The overall width of the box, according to our activity, is 15. The bottom is 5. And the overall height of our rectangle is 10. So everything is fully constrained, everything is blue. We click on Finish Sketch. Again, we're going to cut a hole. The instructions say it goes all the way through. So I'm going to hit Extrude. I'm going to, here's the extrude. I'm going to click on the second one, which is Cut. I'm going to select what I want to cut, which is our little box. Notice it only goes some of the way through. It is highlighted, so I'm just going to type in the full distance, which is 60, and I'm going to hit OK. And now our part goes, you can see, all the way through. So this completes our part. We're now going to save it to our desktop. So we hit Save. It's already highlighted at desktop because we already put a drawing there before. Again, we need to change our name. It's highlighted. Just type in the name. We're going to put a space. Our activity, which is 4.1.G, put a dash, and this is 2A. And then we need our file, which is .ipt. And now we can save this to our desktop. And let's go ahead and check that. We can see that here is our part 1A, and over here is our part 2A. So they're both here. We will then upload this to our Google Drive, and then we will save it to a PDF. Again, File, Export, PDF. Desktop is our destination. Our file name, again, hit Save, and this completes 2A. We can see that we have a PDF drawn here. It looks great. So thank you, and if you have any questions, see me in class. Bye.